pull that game and it's going to be satisfying, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much, and God bless you. And yeah, bye. Let's get started. First things first, we should go and should be have upstairs one, but I don't know. Wait, what the heck is that? That looks so funny. Wait, let's go outside. Let's go outside. I think this is nice. Outside only. Not bad. Wait, I want to hear. Look at here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's change my voice. So much, guys. Let's now work. And so wait, I think the apple looks orange to me. So we'll get the apple juice right now. And yeah, thank you so much guys for here, and so much. I love you guys, and God bless you. If you want more, comment down below what color should I do next. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but I don't know, why am I in love with this avatar? Wait, what? Wait, what? What the flip? Oh my gosh. Wait, we have to like... Oh my god. This looks so pretty. And yeah guys, if you want more, say it, because I'm doing right over here next to the Jazz Cozy Motel. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and I love you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye. God bless you. Hello, voice midnight, and yeah, I'm going to play the Bulldog game, and it's going to be satisfying. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much, and God bless you. And yeah, bye. Let's get started. should go and like should be have like upstairs one, but I don't know. Wait, what the heck is that? That looks so funny. Wait, let's go outside. Let's go outside. I think this is nice. Outside only. Wait, not bad. Wait, I'm not in here. Okay, let's change my voice. Now I'm back with my normal voice. And yeah, thank you so much guys for here, and so much. I love you guys and God bless you. If you want more, comment down below what color should I do next. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but why am I in love with this avatar? Wait, what? Wait, what? What the flip? Oh my gosh. Wait, we have to like... Oh my god. This looks so pretty. And yeah guys, if you want more, say it, because I'm doing right over here next to the Jazz Cozy Motel. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and I love you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye. God bless you.